What's good, guys? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, back with another video. I know I've been gone for a minute. I'm still dealing with some stuff. Maybe I can get into it after next week happens. We'll see what happens, but there's nothing I can do but just keep staying strong, stay positive, and hopefully everything works out. But you see the title. Like I said, I'm gonna just skip. I'm still doing these the boxer shoes. It just doesn't matter about these because they still didn't drop worldwide yet, so it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna film the video for these probably the next day or so. But I just want to skip over those real quick. And let's just get into this. Based off the title, you probably know what it is. Maybe you don't know about them. But if you're new here, subscribe. You're on our way to 500 plus subs. As well as like this video, comment. I also respond to all my comments down below, so leave a comment, whatever you got to say, questions, whatever. Let me know. Main channel, Instagram, those links will be down below in the description, so check out my Instagram, follow me, DM me, whatever you want to do, and check out the main channel as well. That's really it, so let's get right into the video. Alright, so off rip, you see the black Jordan box, typical regular. This restocked or dropped, whatever, on Finish Line website. And then I got through Q, and then of course I used a $20 discount. And these are called, I literally got my phone right here with the screenshot. This is called Jordan 1 Low Easter Pastel, or Pastel, however they pronounce it, tie-dye. So I'm going to just say Easter tie-dye. GS size, $95 retail. And the kids, there is profit, I believe, if you get it under retail, because paying retail is no profit. But I got this for under retail, so I will be making profit. Right now I could sell it for lunch money, but I'm trying to at least make, a good amount. But this is the Jordan 1 Low Easter tie-dye. Like I said, Easter passed a long time ago, so I really don't know why they dropping these still. It was better off just calling it the tie-dye, and all that good stuff. But let's just get the quick little thumbnail for y'all. My do-rag sticking up. Hopefully it's not, but either way, let's go. Boom. Yeah, so it does come with the extra laces. I don't know if you're gonna switch them if you want. Come with the tie-dye green that matches the little imprint of tie-dye inside the heel, or the bottom, that's teal green. Also got that low color and the logo jump in right here on the tongue. Black, white base color with the tie-dye around, a little purple, lavender, green. This came out, like I said, on Finish Line. I don't know if they dropped these yet on the sneaker or Nike's app. I mean, to be specific, you guys know they drop mids and lows on the Nike app. I gotta see if that's a permanent stain, either or. I hope not, because I'm trying to get rid of these. And I swear these companies know people be reselling, so they literally mess up pairs on purpose. Like, what do you guys think about these? Are they a solid Jordan 1 Low? Do you appreciate these? Did you cop when they released? Or you didn't know about these? Doesn't make sense that they're naming them Easter when Easter already passed. I believe Easter passed already, right? If not, then maybe I'm bugging. But let me know what you guys think about these. Are they a solid cop for kids? Or, because they do have these in men's, if I'm not mistaken. They're sitting in stores. Yeah. But besides the lavender, the purple, and the little light green, what do you think would look better? The light green laces or the black that comes with it? I think it would be cool to add this just to see how it would look. I'm pretty sure some people wish they would give like a lavender laces as well, so it could be two. Nobody really wants to use this minty green. This is a size 6.5. You gotta smell your shoes every time. But yeah, maybe there's some glue stains in here, I don't know. But what do you guys think about these tie-dye Easter Jordan 1 Lows? There's really not much to say about these. I just wanted to show you guys. Is this a cop, skip, pass, all that good stuff? Let me know what y'all think. The bottom one more time. Show you a little lavender from that angle. The outside, the inside, and then the outside. Jordan 1 low, GS size. So let me know if you wish you had the lavender as well, laces, or you're okay with the black or the minty green. Alright, so that's literally it for this shoe. There's not really else to show you guys. I know these reviews be sometimes a little corny on the shoe. There's not really to show you guys, no story behind it. I just copped these on Finish Line for under retail, so I could just sell it back for retail, whatever. But they do have men's in these, so if you want to be a man, if you want to cop as a men's pair, they should be in your local Foot Lockers and all that good stuff, or just be patient. They will drop these on the Nike app. But right here is the GS version, the kids version. So yeah, like I said, it's like some glue stains I probably gotta take out. But that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I know I took like a damn near whole week. I'm about to edit this real quick. I do gotta wake up for work early. I'm gonna edit this real quick, post it, and then yeah, I'm gonna film the video for this right here. I'm gonna try to film it tomorrow. If not, the next day or before the weekend for sure. If you're watching at this point, go to my Instagram, like my new pictures, show some love with it. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.